folks, I'm going to tell you 5 quick facts about black bull markets. Now, did you know, number 1, they're New Zealand FMA regulated. Number 2, did you know they have a copy trading service where you can either be a signal provider or copy signals? And number 3, did you know they've got over 26,000 tradable assets, including Forex, crypto, stocks, indices, and even more? And number 4, did you know they offer 500 to 1 leverage? And number 5, if you open up an account today and trade 1 lot a month, they're going to give you TradingView Pro for free. Check them out, Black Bull Markets.
All right, there we go. Good morning, everybody. Depending on where you are. Fine little morning. Just some volatile news trades, as you can see. With gold, let's actually take a look. Boy. So gold is definitely has moved its momentum to bearish order flow. Right now, I personally I'm not trading this because we've already moved 200 pips to the lows. I just marked out early, but essentially this would have been the best entry to go short on US 30. What I would like to see though is a little bit of a retracement back up on gold. Right? We sold off for a while. Just a little retracement up. Right. UJ. Very nice. UJ was the optimal, right? His price gave us that bullish indication in the structure. We had a nice retracement to the lows, and then price just kept trending. And right at this moment, the gold is doing the opposite, which is kind of interesting. Right. Alan says trading is the biggest scam. Buddy, why you want to stream? Just leave, man. Do something else. Funny guy. You know something? Guys who say that are the ones that haven't made profit or still don't know what they're doing, right? All right, what are we doing? NASDAQ. Let's go down to the H4. All right, so NASDAQ has reached our weekly level here, not completely to the highs. So we could see some more push to the highs to hit that level. But at the moment, though, I don't really see any reason to be buying. I wouldn't buy here because this is kind of just a rage. I'm still keen on this though. Really, really like this. Where price breaks, retraces, breaks, retraces, breaks, retraces. So ultimately, I would like to see some sort of bias setup on Euro Aussie. Okay. GJ, same. GJ still has to hit this level. Where's the Canadian? Retracement. Yeah. It looks clean. All right. Honestly, I think I'm going to take a position on USD Canadian. I want to go long. And I want to take it long up here. But just right now, the structure hasn't been the best. Get sweep the wick. Huh? All right, we'll wait till 9:30 to see what happens with NASDAQ. Gold, man, gold is just dumping, bro. It's not coming back. It's not coming back. Euro Aussie. Can you share the screen you're looking at? I think this is decent. Decent for continuations. All right. Just gonna wait. Just gonna wait and see. All right, let's just get some comments in from before. Someone's asking question. No. All right. Yeah, so I would expect gold to hit this low. It's actually a nice low. Break, retrace. Continue. Because these levels are magnets, right? So essentially, for you to trade them properly, you would probably take this short at the open. Stop above. Right. So you know what? Clear these charts up. We're kind of in the middle, man. But we have a high here. No set. I'm not completely sure if this is gonna buy or sell today. But I would like to see some sells though, because we had this break. Prices broke under. So if we pull back, take the short. This low, it doesn't look valid to me. And what a day. Yep. Great, great. Just watch price. Just watch what price does. Price is gonna really take its time, though. And once it hits this level, we're gonna see a nice reaction, right? So usually, so when price hits these levels, we get a nice little reaction. At first, I'm not gonna lie, like yesterday, I wanted to see these buys play out, something like this, like as a retracement, and then something like this, right? But we got a continuation instead of a retracement reversal. So it's a good setup. Yeah, that was a news trade, so just simply waiting and seeing what's clean. What's clean? I want to see clean structure, clean. So this, yeah, um, yeah, right. So this could possibly, like, if we don't sell today, probably see something like this, pump, right? This could just be the retracement, right? Gold is doing something, just selling off as usual, right? Mm. Wow, gold is amazing. The way it's pushing, love to see it. Hmm. Look at the way structure has been. Literally, it's easy, easy. Break, retest. Break, retrace, retest, continue. Pretty much just breaks and retests all the way down. Hmm. What's up? What's up? Why did I sell? Real talk, continuation trade. Right? It broke, had that pullback, and then it continued lower. Like break, pullback, spiked in, dumped. right? So where's your TP? What's your TP level? So these are some of the like they're really nice setups because essentially gold just goes in a free fall. If you know what I mean, right? So you can really capitalize on these trades. All right. Always get in at a good price because gold does have those random retracements within the time of, you know, these continuations and stuff. So yeah, clean. All right. So that market, happy to just be watching Netflix, done trading, not even tape reading. Good stuff, man. Enjoy. Just relax, you know. You made your profits for the week. Just chill. What's this saying? I saw that market wanted to move down, but didn't know where to entry. So nearly there. I use stop limits and stops, and just leave them to it. That's sitting on electric basket. Notice the current price. LMNOP here too. Yeah, good stuff, man. Whoever's trading this, you took the setup, cool. But usually after these rallies, we do have those retracements, so something to be mindful of. All right. Looks like round two is coming. They may switch the direction. Are you down to that? How's your funded account that you won there going? Oh man, it's going well. Thank you. Just the same process, right? But I haven't been trading it as much as my larger accounts. So 50K. I've been trading my 400K. All right, so let's see US 30. Ah, US 30 flip bearish. All right. All right. More sell off. This is my ultimate TP. This green blue line. And I'll tell you why. It's a low. I didn't hit the absolute low for hence why you see that, but yep. That's my ultimate TP, man. I'm not gonna assume it'll hit today because we already had like nah. I think we can hit it. So yeah. All right, let's see the comments. How about NASDAQ? Looks like gold is going to be bearish until next week. Can you break down your thoughts? So, look, man, let me actually just, bro, this is how simple this shit really can be, bro. Sometimes we just mess up by being too analytical. Just too analytical messes man's up. All right, let me tell you. All right, what happens when the indication of a bullish, like a bullish indication happens? We have to see a retracement. Okay. Now let me go down to the 15. break, retrace, equal lows. But we had a break, retrace, break, retrace, then dump. And where do you think you'll be targeting? Previous lows. You know? Previous lows. Possibly the midpoint of this. So it's nice, man. It's nice. So we're just gonna see how this trade plays out. It is an aggressive sort of entry. But mind you, just be confident, man. You have to be confident in your trades. And trust me, it's not rocket science, bro. You just have to manage that risk. 'Cause I just think, yeah, you can get your direction right, but the risk management part is the absolute key, right? So I have a feeling gold's gonna buy off a little bit today. Thanks for streaming, continue. Risk management tips? Bro, just use them. Use risk to reward to your advantage, you know? Use risk to reward to your advantage. This was a pretty high RR trade. I think I deleted it, but right. Break and that little retrace. So just put your stop above the highs and then target the key area. So that's a pretty high RR trade, man. Right? Right there. So and also keep your risk consistent, right? Size down initially. And when you're ready to size up, just size up. But I'd say for now, though, keep your size consistent as possible. All right, so let's say you're risking 0.5 per trade. Risk 0.5 until you're in profit on the account. And then start risking 1%, right? When you have that those profits that you can reinvest, so to speak, right? And just put it back into your business, right? So And also, like, stop being very picky on making money, right? Like, when you realize the opportunities are there, you just have to flow with the market, all right? I feel like a lot of people lose because you count a trend or they don't flow, right? You gotta flow with it. So just let the market do its job, which is redistribute money into the patient person's hands, the disciplined person's hands, the consistent risk manager, right? So and I think gold is gonna hit that TP today. I think gold is gonna hit our TP. Let's just let it hit our TP. I have a feeling. I'm gonna get to this 30. Kind of in the middle on US 30. Nothing really to see here. NASDAQ is clearly just flying. Could we see the bulls come in on gold? That'd be crazy if the bulls just randomly start to just push price back. All right, let's get back into the chat. Risk to reward, bro. Yeah. I really had to just. Now I definitely see some pumps coming in. I definitely see that coming. Like right about soon times. All right. Well, this is going to be really interesting in the next minute or so. The next hour open. Let's just wait. Could we get that reaction buy? It's looking like it. Wow. Uh, I think, I think we're, yeah, we did have a break, right? It's interesting. It's interesting to see. Yeah, don't be trading that ICT stuff, bro. I don't. I mean, I have nothing against them. I think some of them are good traders, but a lot of them are just. What I would say is very cult-like, where they're like, "Oh, you have to. This is the only way to trade," type of vibe. You know what I mean? So that's what. Not into that, you know. Or they say they're ultimate. They're like the best traders in the world. It's okay. I mean, all right. So All right, look at the way price just closed. We're definitely bearish selling this. All right, man. I've been patient, man, the whole session, and I haven't really seen. Okay, this one looks decent out of all of them. So this one looks decent. So you see when price breaks structure, we'd essentially want to see a retracement to go long. If that's something you guys want to do, you guys can take this setup. US 30, to me personally, the fact that NASDAQ is buying really, really hard, like really, really hard, it's possible US 30 buys as well. So let me see to confirm. This failed to break. And gold doing the same thing. Yeah. All right. Let's try to take our longs. Let's try. If price breaks this high, would be nice. Ooh, boy. Ooh, look at gold. I think gold, we're gonna get a nice buy setup today, for sure. Just because, like, man, we've been going down for a hot minute. How long? We've been straight bearish for the past 8 days. It's almost 1,000 points. No sort of reaction buy, right? So we have to be mindful, right? What style do I trade? I would just say points of interest and market phases, right? Like basically structure, highs and lows. That's all that matters to me, right? Low is being respected. We have highs here. It's like this. If price starts breaking highs like these, then price would come to this level. If price starts breaking lows, then I'd see price coming to this level. So I just keep it as simple as that, right? Market fulfillment, pretty much, which is buy low, sell high, right? So, oh, had a long night, man. Early morning. So, bro, US 30, bro. All right. Let's see. So I'm on the stream for the next hour or so. We get a setup at that time, we're taking the setup. If we don't, we're not. And that's how it's simple that, yeah, gold buys are looking like pullbacks before the push lower, for sure. Rubbish analysis, buddy. Gold broke previous week's low. It's very bummy. I don't think you were here for the actual analysis. So basically, look. Now you're going to take your words back for talking too much. Bullish indication. Price made a high. Price swept the high. Price broke a low. Retraced. Price broke a low. Retraced. Took out this low. Equal lows are created. Right? Failed to break the high. Stayed within this box. Broke down lower. And where do you think they're going? Previous lows. So think before you speak. We're just talking about reactions, right? Because there are fools that'll take sells here, and then guess what happens? Market shafts them real hard, and then they cry. They say, "No, trading's a scam," like someone said in the start of the stream. All right. Yeah. So David, think before you speak, bro. Yeah. Simple as that. Price is what? Price is a magnet to these key areas, literally. Doing that. So, all right. Let's see. Next 15, 20. No, next 20 minutes. Let's just watch US30. All right. Mm-hmm. All right. All right. Could this be the dump? Final push. Final push. Final push. Let's see. We can get the final push. Not selling at the levels, obviously, just saying it's bearish on a higher time frame. Yeah. That's why I'm still in sells from here. Right? Broke this low. It failed to push higher. Right? And then we had sells here from last night. The price broke structure. It retraced. Failed to break the high. Essentially take our shorts. Put my stop here just because that's a wick. Could be taken out. But yeah, that's basically. I've taken profits already. So started the stream before I erased everything. I have my analysis on gold, but we could see a reaction. See what I mean? These types of reactions. Doesn't mean this is the trade, but it's still a reaction. All right. Euro AUD. So I was actually looking at Euro Aussie, right? Getting the same sort of scenarios. But we're in a box, so be careful. Yeah. So I'll just wait 15 minutes and see what happens. I like to enter on the 5-minute. Right, so congruent with the higher time frame. Once I see, okay, price broke a previous low, kind of pulls back, or even breaks the previous low, pulls back. You want to take entries there essentially. Man, what are these puppies doing, man? All right, so look at NAS, man. NAS doing exactly. Just be too big of a stop loss for me, man. NASDAQ could be too big of a stop. For me personally. I want to see something else, right? Price did break this, it did retest, but that's literally where we would want to get in on our entry. Right, price sellers trapped. Boom. All right. So man. All right, so gold. Yeah. I think that this could be the last scale-in for you guys. So, but still, the R is too low. So I wouldn't say get in right now, unless you can pull it off with some next crazy. All right, but you could scalp this, bro. Right, like a nice down like that, right? Yeah. So nothing, man, nothing. The US30's okay. US30 just broke another high. All right, I want to see a pullback, nice little pump. I want to see a nice little pump back in, and I will be taking this trade. All right. Let's just be patient. Let's be patient and wait to see. All right. All right, so we have about 8 minutes till 10:30. We just broke two highs out of key area, so we could take a trade. All right. Ooh, look at those pushes. Well, look at that. Prices wants to fly, bro. No pullback yet. No problem. All right. Looks like we can get our pullback. Just like this. Nice little entry. All right, 5 minutes. 5 minutes till this 30-minute candle closes, and 15. So yeah, and gold is doing just that, right? Gold is just breaking. This is a retracement, bro, right? Retracement, dump. So no need to worry, Good setup though. Yeah, and then I'll be TPing this level, but I'd say take majority of your position off here. If you want to leave a runner, like be a G about it, cool. Just leave a runner and see what happens, right? It's essentially free money. Like if it keeps going in your favor, you're blessed. Okay, so just broke this high as well. Okay. When I pull up to the club, I wanna show this me like. It's about 192 pips. Ooh, easy. Wow, I'm waiting for the candle to close, man. And these guys trying to fly already. But yeah, don't worry, we still have so much space, bro. So much. Right? Yeah, any questions, any comments, man? Any pairs that we should look at other than the indices? Just for some questions. All right. So, boy, look at the way this shit is moving, man. Like, to be honest, this would be my first TP, and this would be my second TP. Like, my final. Inefficient trading by like 60 pips, bro. Missed 60 pips. All right. Yeah. And gold's starting to melt off. I don't know if I want to enter right now on this. It's too much risk. Because this literally just didn't close like efficiently. If this is the only time I want to enter, man. Like down low. I don't want to buy high, right? So you kind of missed this in the conversation. Like we were just talking about pairs like gold, right? So this shit's starting to fly. So can you sell gold? Look, man, you can sell gold with your own discretion. Because, bro, I still see this as a redistribution, right? Like this, to me, is not a reversal. This, most definitely, to me, is going to sell off, right? So I don't really like selling low, though. It already moved 300 pips, so that'd be selling low, right? Want to buy low only. If you want to go for the scalp, sure, do your thing. There's nothing against that either, right? Yeah, you could probably squeeze out another 60, 75 pips, which is great, man. Definitely great. We just want to make smart decisions in lifetime, right? So bro, I swear, US30 was the easiest setup today. The easiest, and we fucking missed it. Wow. Bro. All right. No problem. Look, man, it's literally the simplest stuff, right? Look, price started to make lower lows, and then what happened? Price broke a high, price retraced, failed to break the low, respected the low, and pumped. Like that's how simple the setup was. But man, we were just talking way too much about just gold, right? Well, gold was just doing this. Yeah, that's one thing I love about trading though, because knowing the fact that we didn't take the setup, we're probably gonna get a retracement to take the setup. You know what I mean? Later. So it's just too risky for me right now. Like I wouldn't ever consider buying here, because look at all this downside, man. That's a lot, right? So no jumping in trades. And you see what UJ did, bro? Look at what UJ did. UJ broke this high, right? And UJ hasn't still retraced, but you best believe they will retrace back. I'm not sure to what extent, but they will. They definitely will. All right, so I guess we're going to take trades like this. If price breaks this high, I want to see a pullback or a retest. Then we can get a better risk to reward, right? Like right now, this risk to reward ratio is very unoptimal, right? This was the easiest, bro. The easiest. Look at this. Price indicates bullish structure. We get that retracement. It fails to break. And price pumps. Right? 100 and what? 50 pips. And gold doing exactly what we expected. We did get a little reaction, blah, blah, blah. Right? How much? 55 pips. And yeah, price is doing what it should. Right? Price is doing what it should. So, sheesh. Like, if you took this trade You literally could have passed like half of your challenge. Literally. Right? So anyways, what program did you learn? I didn't join any programs, man. I took the long route, but kind of crazy route, bro, of just trial and error, man. I literally just learned the 3 phases, right? I saw the market do this every day. I literally saw the market do this every day. Stuff like this, 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 and this. And then I saw the market do this, this. I also saw the market do this, this, every day. Literally, that's what I saw the market do every day for the past 2-3 years. No, for the past 4 years. I've seen this happen every single day. And I told myself, I'm like, all right, there has to be some sort of algorithm doing this, you know? And that's literally what it is. It's literally just price repricing price, you know? All right. Indicating various structure. All right, let's get a better deal. The algo kicks in, continues. All right, so this high didn't get broken. So I would be cautious of what this is doing. All right, once it breaks and gives us a clean close, then that's the only time I would actually look for buying. But right now, you can also consider this a break, right? But, yeah. It boxes Asia most of the time. I wouldn't say all the time, but most of the time, box is Asia. And what ends up happening during Asian session, they either manipulate the high or the low. Yeah, and they just pump dump. There's nothing really to trading other than just the sequences, when you're getting in, when you're getting out, when you're getting in, when you're getting out, right? So yeah. It's that simple. What's my take on so Anders, if you're just trading like new, right? Start to mark out your boxes, right? You see one here. What is the model that I just set? Price did this, and did that, right? Here too. Price made a box. Did this, did that. Okay, but that's against the trend, so I wouldn't recommend that. Right? Price did this, made a box, pumped, blah blah blah. So yeah, if you guys are into this stuff, yeah, I'll put my link tree there. You guys can ask any questions, concerns. But yeah, my trade is floating. Let me just show you my entry. Yeah. So my trade is floating about 4.6 risk to reward, but I'm going to be riding it out to here. But my stop loss was, got it on 5. Yeah. I'm gonna put your stop loss above. All right, so I got in on this break. It's a price retraced. Wow, look at that. It's doing it. It's doing it exactly how it's supposed to. All right, so yeah, don't try to sell low. The move is already done, and whoever wanted to get in here, that was a good scalp. If 60 pips, you can hold until these lows, man, until 1950. So, all right, so if US 30 breaks this, we'll just take a retest, okay? Anyways, yeah. Oh, USD CAD. All right, so USD CAD. Price is already moving, but if you want to just get in, you can put your stop below this low. Okay, that would be valid. That would definitely be valid, bro. So, let me check it out. USD CAD. To me, that's a parabolic trade. If you know what a parabolic trade is. Yeah. I mean, I've been spotting these. Yeah, and Euro AUD. Euro AUD. Easy. Okay. Break. Trace. Like that. So yeah, man, keep your eyes open on that stuff. Price just rejected this really hard, and price is not looking to go higher. So could we sell? That's essentially what I'm saying, right? We have two hard closes. If price even comes here, just TP it, done. Right? Anyways, man, I'll be back. Just 15 more minutes. Yeah. So anybody, any questions and stuff, ask them. I also put my link tree there. That's where, I have my mentorship, my group, some of my analysis, my Telegram, etc. Because a lot of you guys been asking how I've been doing that. But yeah. All right. So look, before I be, if price fails to break this high, we're still within this range. NASDAQ pierced it, and if it breaks back in, retraces, that'd be a really clean short. Really, really clean. Like, really clean. And boy, look at USD CAD. We're already... I took the buys right here. Yeah, I got in about there, but I put my stop loss below. 13 pips. And I will be targeting this high for a 1 to 3.5. All right. One second, man. These puppies. Yep, we're having those higher time frame trades. So this would be your TP long term. Right, so man, what a day. What a day. Almost that take profit. Almost that take profit. And USD CAD. If price retraces, no problem. No problem. All right, guys. Any questions, man? Any comments before we tap out of the stream? Any comments, man? Any comments? Any questions before we tap out of the stream? All right. So, if you guys want to take an entry, you guys could, like right here. Yeah, you guys can take an entry. But you guys got to be aware, right? Because price is at a high. Price is at a high. So actually, let's just wait for a better price, man. Let's just wait. Because this to me, look, if price breaks this, that's valid. But right now, we're still under the level, man. So I know some of you guys want to short and stuff, but gold is taking a sweet time, man. But we're gonna see a nice little blow off move soon, right? Which would be awesome. All right, I guess no questions anymore. No comments. So yeah, I think that's good enough for the day. I know you guys got in a bit late for this, right? But we started the stream right here, so I was already in the setup. So this was the max potential for the trade. Too low, so UJ doing its thing. UCAD, it might play out or it might not. Right, that's why you manage your risk. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Can we check GU? Misco. Yeah, so man, I teach this in my mentorship. You can check it out on my link tree right there. It's on the screen. Basically, you'll learn how to read price, right? And also like look at optimal trades, right? How to spot the optimal trades. Because this to me was like the easiest thing, like taking candy from a kid, right? Price broke structure, retraced, broke structure, retraced, thing, right? So yeah, Yeah, you can check out my link there. And GU on the H1, let's see. GBP USD. Price is very similar to all right. So price made a high. This is the highest point. It swept the high, so this is the highest point. And since price has just been breaking structure, retracing. Breaking structure, retracing, failing to follow through, break higher, break structure, retrace, selling. Where do you think price is going? Here? Yeah. So price just broke structure again. But to me, this is a free fall. Price can dump. All right. That's what I see, man. So if you see something nice, take it. If you don't, just forget it, man. You don't need to be in the markets all the time. So yeah, that's my thoughts on GU. It's been breaking lows consistently and then targeting previous lows. So, all right, guys, I think that's pretty much it. How to avoid stop hunts? I wouldn't necessarily say how to avoid stop hunts. This is kind of a stop hunt, so to speak. But you can expect price if it made an obvious level and it retraces, they can also spike it, then break structure there. Like that's a break, retest, continue, right? Even here, early sellers got taken out, continue, and TPing these lows, right? So essentially, yeah, 1:4. Fewer held it. Yeah, 1:5, man. So yeah. What else? That's it. All right, guys. So I think I'm gonna end the stream here. We just didn't get this type of trades we wanted, man. But if price does break this high, wait for the pullback to continue long. Okay? Yeah. If price breaks the high, closes above, retraces, then pulls up. All right. Peace, love, abundance, man. I hope you guys are blessed. I hope everything goes well with you for the next week. Yeah, man, keep it simple. Stay consistent. Just keep studying. As you know, this is a business, so keep it that way. Keep that mindset of, all right, this is a business, man. I have to treat it like one, right? Not just some hanky-panky game, right? So, when's my next stream? It's actually next week, same time, on Thursday. So you guys can catch me there. But yeah, I'm actually gonna, you know what? I'm actually gonna stick for this candle close. There's 2 minutes, so might as well wait. And if we get something, we'll take it. All right. But personally, right now, nah. This to me is the riskiest, like, entry, right? Like here, this is a safe entry, and once price breaks up, then it would. Okay, 2 minutes. Let's see. So there's also this thing she wanted to mention on, let's say, Euro USD, for example, okay? Look at that, right? High, low, 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 right? If you see many lows and just one high, this is a pro tip. And what happens? Price breaks this. See that? Then pulls back. Price breaks it, pulls back. That's when. You see? Then you can target these lows. Those are where you catch those higher trades. Right? Literally 7%. 10% even, maybe. All right. Anyways, let's get back to this chart and see what happens. Ooh, nice. Very nice. Okay. Okay. There you go. Would you look at that? Would you look at that? Price is gonna break this high, man. I'm telling you, man. Price is gonna hit this high. How about we get a head start? Boom. Should break. Then we have the. Alright, so price breaks that. Yeah, it did a solid close, man. So I would anticipate more longs, right? Anticipate more longs. Bro, look at that. Look at the way they're holding this level. It's pretty funny. In fact, it's so funny. All right, so it just closed above. Now let's take this setup. If you're gonna take it, just stop below. All right, some of these lows, you would wanna take that continuation. All right, there's a lot of sellers here, as you guys can see. we gotta make sure that we don't get kicked out early. Okay, so we're gonna wait for them to do that. All right, still no setup. Still no setup. It's a rejection. All right, I want to make sure if price rejects, we get a nice trade. All right, guys. So I'm just gonna call it a stream. Like I said, if you guys see the confirmations that I just mentioned, take a setup, use low risk. Don't, like, for example, right? Spread out your risk, 0.5%, 1%, right? So those would be better for you long term as well. Could gold buy? Gold buys. Wait. All right. All right. Daisy. All right, guys. Thank you for tuning in, man. Yeah, so like I said, same confirmations like I mentioned. If you guys see those clearly, take it. If not, don't take it. Right? But look at the way NASDAQ is moving, bro. This is a hard time for a trade, right? So definitely keep your eyes open for this break, retest, push, right, and target these highs. I definitely long term as well could possibly see some buys till there. So yeah. Thank you, man. Navdeep, you can look at my link tree there. As you can see, search me up. Or you can go on my Telegram. Yeah, but I'm on Patreon, so I'll just, you know what? I'll just put it there too. Yeah, you can find me. You can find me over there. All right. So on my link tree, okay. The link tree is there. All my links are there. My Patreon, my mentorship's there. So yeah, man. Thank you everybody for tuning into the stream. Oh, have a blessed day. Peace and love, man. Peace and love. Right.